Is about reading and writing multi-digit whole numbers using their number names up to 1 million. So it's being able to match the numbers of a big number to the correct words. And so the easiest way to do these, you have to read kind of carefully each word, which can take a while. But something that I think is really useful is to remember that each section separated by a comma in a big number goes into one of these, sometimes they call them houses. There's the ones house that has the ones, tens, and hundreds. There's the thousands house that has the thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And right now you don't need the millions house, except for sometimes you might need the 1 million. But eventually you will when you get to even bigger numbers, and then we will have the millions house. And the key thing to remember is that each of these three sections or houses is read separately. So that's why I wrote right here, read each section separately. So these are the notes that I want you to copy down. I want you to pause the video, copy down the place value chart, and this, read each section separately. Okay, so hopefully you copied that down. I gave you, in the activity, I gave you a sheet like this. I'm just showing it on the video for a second. It has 8 of those little place value charts on it. So if you want to, you can print it out and use it to help you with these problems if you find it helpful. I'm going to show you how to use it on a couple of example problems. So here we go. Write the number in words. Select the correct answer. 546,157. So I'm going to write that number into the place value chart. So we've got 546, 546,157. So now when you look at it in the place value chart, look at each number in each house. So 546,157. You read each chunk of 3 numbers together. So 546,157. You don't have to say the ones. Now, when you're looking at the different choices, they're all really similar, so you have to read them really carefully. So 564,000 looks a lot like 546,000, but it's not. So you have to look at that carefully. So it can't be that one. 546,157. That looks right. Let's double check by checking the third one. 546,175. So again, this is really similar. They just switched a couple words. That's why you have to read so carefully. So this would be the right one here. All right, here is another example. 811967. I'm going to fill that in on my little chart. 811967. I know where it goes because of where the comma is. And remember, we always want it to be as far to the right as possible. You can't have any blanks over here, so you have to fill in all of them from the right to the left. So 811967, that matches. So now, if we read the thousands together, it's 811,000, 811,967. So let's see which one says that. 811,967. That sounds right. Let's check the other ones just to make sure we didn't misread something. 801,000. Nope, that's not right. It was 811,000. 811,907. Nope, we have 967. So that can't be right. Remember, this would look like this. 811,907. Like, you know this number is 907. So if it says 907, you got to make sure you put the 9 in the hundreds, a 0 in the tens, and then a 7 in the ones. All right, let's look at one more. 619371. Read each number in its section. 619,371. So this is not right. 370. This one has 600. Oh, this also says 609,000. That's wrong there too. So this is the correct answer.